everyone, welcome back to Goms Tech Talks channel. I'm Dr. Gomati. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to prepare for Microsoft certification exams, what are all the sample practice assessment exams which are provided to us by Microsoft itself, and why should we do Microsoft certifications. Microsoft certifications are recognized globally and are a powerful way to validate your skills and expertise in various Microsoft technologies. They can open doors to new opportunities and career advancements. So there are various technologies which are offered to us by Microsoft. So here you can find it in this link where you can see what are the various certifications which are provided to us. So if you want to browse the certification through the categories which are provided here, you can also browse that, or else directly they are showing the certifications as well. If you click on browse all certifications, you can see what are all the certifications which are there. If you are a cloud developer, if you are very interested in cloud, then you can click here to see what are all the cloud based certifications which are provided to us by Microsoft. So here you can see Microsoft certified Azure AI engineer, Azure administrator, so everything they have given. Or else if you wanted to go with the Microsoft 365, then you can see the various certification options which are provided here. So as I told, so it is good if you are doing the Microsoft certification, which will give you the validation for that skill. Though you have that knowledge, you can prove that knowledge only through the certification exam. So the first step is to choose the right exam for you. There are many different Microsoft certification available, so it is important to choose one that is relevant to your career goals. You can find a list of all the available certifications here. Okay, so even in Microsoft, they have given right from the fundamentals towards the advanced level. So here you can see, if you just check here, this is the AZ 900, which is Microsoft certified Azure fundamentals. Okay, for every technology, they are starting from the fundamentals towards the advanced level, fundamental, intermediate, and advanced level. Okay, so this is Power Platform fundamentals, this is security fundamentals. So they have the various levels of certifications to do. So don't worry about that. First choose your idea, that is choose your interest. Okay, if you wanted to go with the data and AI, if you wanted to go with the app development, if you're going to go with the automation expert, if you're a cloud expert, or if you wanted to become a cloud expert, or if you're going to become a functional consultant, so you can choose the certifications from the beginning. So once you are ready, okay, so you can select here. For example, if you want to do the Microsoft 365 certified fundamentals, so once you click here, Microsoft itself has given a clear understanding of what is the certification will validate you. Okay, on what basis it will validate, what are the skills measured, okay, and what are the self-paced contents you have, what are the instructor-led training which are happening, okay, and what you will learn upon completing the certificate, what type of badge and certificates will you get, okay, and what are the skills which are measured, everything they'll be telling you very clearly. And of course, for 99% of the technologies, for every exams you will be having a self-paced content, that is you can learn it by yourself. Apart from this, if you wanted to learn through an instructor-led program, then that too is possible. Okay, for few courses they have instructor-led exams, that is instructor-led training, and for the few courses there won't be, that you can easily learn. So if you click here, you can see what are all the various things which are available. And finally, if you want to schedule the exam, then you can schedule it here. You can see the cost of the exam by selecting the country. Okay, the exam cost will vary based on the country. So if you select India, so you can see the cost of the exam. Okay, in the next video I'll be posting like how to schedule the exam with Pearson VUV, so don't worry about it. Okay, and if you are from a different country, so you can select that and see what is the cost of that exam. Okay, so don't worry, just go ahead and see, so that you can schedule your exam here. This is applicable for anything. Okay, for example, if you are searching for MB 800 exam, which is functional consultant, business central functional consultant exam, so here you can see, just scroll down, go and select your country here, I'm just selecting my country, okay, so India. So you can see the cost of the exam, and once if you want, you can just schedule the exam. So the assessment. So coming to the topic of the practice assessment, you can do the practice assessment for free, which is provided to us by Microsoft. So I'll also leave this link in the description, so you can check that. I'll also leave write a blog on this. You can also check that. Okay. So here the thing is, like, you can find the practice assessment only for few exams. So these apart from 29 certifications, we have many more certifications which are provided to us by Microsoft. Okay, so these are for only few exams. You have a practice assessment, so the same thing you can check it here as well. Okay, so if they might have posted here that, because since MB 800 there is no practice exam, they have not shown here. Okay, and but for MS 900, which we have discussed previously, so here you can see that there is a practice exam. Take a free practice assessment. So if you click here, it will take you to the practice assessment, where you can see nearly 50 questions, and which will show take you through the multiple things. Okay, so just click here. You have to read it. A company implements Microsoft 365, the company must stand. This is how you will get the questions. Okay, like they'll be giving you as a case study, so you can read it completely. And if you see that, okay, track the cost, support dynamic scheduling, so I'm just giving a booking, and if you want to check the answer, you can check the answer. If it is correct, then it will show you this is correct, and also they'll be telling you the thing. Okay, randomly I'm just checking. So company plans to use Microsoft 365. You need to make several app available for the user. Which app will be fine for this? Okay, so like this, you have to select it, and the which app you install locally. You have to install locally. Okay, you have to create a company plan. Fine, so you can just select something, and if you can check the answer, if it is correct, it will tell you what is the answer. If it is wrong, it will tell you what is the answer. So like this, you can just go ahead and see. Just select. I'm not reading anything. Okay, I'm simply selecting it, not reading anything over there. So you can just select it and see what it is all about. Okay, so this is what the complete idea. There will be 50 questions which are based on the case studies. Okay, so you can select and check the answer. So these practice assessments will not be available for all the every questions. Okay, that is every exams, because they will be updating soon, so don't worry. So the only for 29 certifications we have the practice assessment. Apart from this, if you want to go and try with the practice assessment, you can also pay. If you can pay it, if your company is bearing the amount to pay this, you can go and try this. That is a measure up practice test, which is a paid one. You have to pay and try it. Okay, but don't expect that the same question which you are seeing here in the practice exam will be available in your original exams as well. So these are just to make you understand like how the questions will be. Okay, how the questions will be there in your exam, like a case study or something. So you can see here that you have the various options. Okay, so for the Microsoft MB 800 exam, so what is the price? Okay, access duration, if you want to go with the 30 days, what is the price? And you can just go ahead and purchase this exam. Okay, so this is all about like what are the practice assessments which you can try for this. So what are the benefits of this, and how you can just take the exam. So you can find the exams here. Okay, and also you can find the results of that exam finally. Well, once you complete the exam, you will come to know like in which concept you have to be strong. Okay, where we are lacking. Okay, so this is what the complete information about the exam. So if you have any queries related to Microsoft certification exam, please let me know, because these exams are really useful for you in order to showcase your skills, your knowledge and everything. So preparing for a Microsoft certification exam can be challenging, but it's worth it, and in the end. So Microsoft certifications are highly respected in the tech industry, and they can help you advance your career. So Additionally, you can just set a realistic study schedule and stick on to it. Okay, so first choose your area of interest, which technology you're going to explore or which technology you're going to master. Choose it, and then what you have to do is find a study, that is, if you are that is a group learner, then you have to find a study buddy who can join with you to learn. Or else if you want to learn alone, then go ahead. Okay, don't give up, definitely you can pass the exam. All the best. If you have passed any exam after this video, after watching this video, please leave your comment. I'll be very happy for that. Thank you, take care, bye bye.